curious about the oral health concerns that might be lurking in your mouth right now? Well, get ready, because in today's video, we're delving deep into the world of oil pulling, uncovering its remarkable benefits that could revolutionize your dental care routine. From tackling bad breath to promoting healthier gums and teeth, oil pulling might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for to elevate your oral hygiene game. Stick around to learn all about this ancient practice and how it could transform your smile. Let's dive right into it. First up, we have cavities, those pesky little holes that form in our teeth due to plaque buildup and bacteria. They not only cause discomfort, but can also lead to serious dental problems if left untreated. Next, there's gum disease, an inflammation of the gums that can progress to affect the bone that surrounds and supports your teeth. It's often the result of poor oral hygiene and can lead to tooth loss. Then we have the silent but deadly oral cancer. It can occur anywhere in the mouth and is often overlooked until it's too late. Dry mouth, though not as severe, can cause difficulty in speaking and swallowing and increase the risk of cavities. Lastly, there's the universally dreaded bad breath, which can often be a sign of deeper oral health issues. Now that we know about these issues, the question arises, can natural remedies like oil pulling help? You might be wondering, what exactly is oil pulling? Well, let's take a moment to explore this intriguing practice. Originating from the ancient Indian holistic healing system known as Ayurveda, oil pulling has been around for thousands of years. The principle behind it is simple. It involves swishing a tablespoon of oil, usually coconut oil, in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes, then spitting it out. Why coconut oil, you may ask? Coconut oil is a favorite due to its pleasant taste and high concentration of lauric acid, a substance known for its antimicrobial properties. The process of swishing the oil around helps to pull out bacteria, fungi, and other harmful organisms from your mouth, hence the term oil pulling. Remember, oil pulling is not a replacement for regular brushing and flossing, but rather a supplemental oral health practice. Now let's delve into the research studies and findings about oil pulling with coconut oil. Plenty of research has been done on the effectiveness of oil pulling. Let's take a look at some of these studies. A noteworthy study published in the Journal of Oral Health and Community Dentistry found that oil pulling with coconut oil significantly reduced plaque and gingivitis in a group of 20 young adults after just 2 weeks. Additionally, another study in the Journal of Indian Society of Periodontology showed similar results, with a notable reduction in plaque and gum inflammation among participants who practice oil pulling. However, not all studies have been so positive. A report in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research found no significant difference in oral health between those who practiced oil pulling and those who didn't. The study concluded that while oil pulling might have some benefits, it should not replace traditional oral hygiene practices. Furthermore, a study in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine questioned the methodology of many oil pulling studies. It pointed out that most studies were small, with fewer than 100 participants and often lacked control groups. This makes it difficult to draw definitive conclusions about the effectiveness of oil pulling. It's also important to note that most research on oil pulling has focused on its short-term effects. Long-term studies are scarce, which leaves us with a gap in understanding the sustained benefits or potential drawbacks of this practice. Despite these limitations, the research does suggest that oil pulling can have a positive impact on oral health, particularly when it comes to reducing plaque and gingivitis. However, it's crucial to remember that oil pulling should not be seen as a standalone solution for oral health, but rather as a potential supplement to a comprehensive oral hygiene routine. Finally, while oil pulling appears to be safe for most people, it's always a good idea to consult with your dentist before starting any new oral health practice. Having delved into the research, it's essential to summarize the potential benefits of oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling could be a game changer for your oral health. This ancient practice, now gaining modern momentum, has a plethora of benefits for your pearly whites and overall oral hygiene. Firstly, let's talk about cavities. These little nuisances are the bane of anyone's oral health routine. But here's some good news. Coconut oil pulling can help reduce cavities. It works by decreasing the levels of Streptococcus mutans, a primary bacteria responsible for cavities, in your mouth. When you swish around coconut oil, it adheres to the bacteria, pulling them away from your teeth and gums. On the topic of gums, coconut oil pulling can also make significant strides in improving gum health. It's all about reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful bacteria. Gingivitis, a common gum disease, is often caused by an accumulation of plaque. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help combat this plaque buildup, leading to healthier gums. Now, who doesn't want a brighter smile? Coconut oil pulling may help whiten your teeth naturally. It's not about harsh bleaching agents that can damage your enamel. Instead, it's about the oil's ability to remove surface stains over time, revealing whiter teeth underneath. Let's not forget about breath. Morning breath, coffee breath, just had a spicy meal breath. None of them are particularly appealing. Coconut oil pulling can freshen your breath by eliminating the oral bacteria that cause bad odors. But the benefits of coconut oil pulling aren't limited to your mouth. Coconut oil itself is a powerhouse of health benefits. It can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even balance hormones. So while you're swishing away for your oral health, your body is reaping a host of other benefits too. So there you have it. Whether you're battling with cavities, looking to improve gum health, seeking a whiter smile, or just wanting to freshen your breath, coconut oil pulling could be your solution. Indeed, coconut oil pulling seems to offer multiple benefits for oral health. To pull or not to pull? That is the question. We've ventured through a fascinating exploration of oral health, the traditional practice of oil pulling, and the potential benefits of incorporating coconut oil into this regimen. Let's take a moment to revisit the highlights of our journey. First, we delved into common oral health issues to understand the prevalence and impact of these conditions. It's clear that maintaining oral health is an imperative part of overall wellness and should not be taken lightly. Next, we introduced the concept of oil pulling, a practice rooted in ancient Ayurvedic medicine. We learned that it involves swishing oil, in this case coconut oil, around the mouth for a period of time before spitting it out, with the goal of improving oral health. Following that, we dove into research studies on oil pulling. While some studies have found positive results, others have called for more rigorous investigations. The scientific community is yet to reach a unanimous consensus on the efficacy of oil pulling, although the potential benefits are promising. Afterwards, we examined the benefits of oil pulling with coconut oil. It's been suggested that this practice could help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, improve bad breath, and whiten teeth. However, it's essential to remember that these potential benefits are based on preliminary findings and anecdotal evidence. Now, it's important to stress that while oil pulling with coconut oil may offer potential benefits, it should not replace regular dental care. Brushing twice a day, flossing regularly, and visiting your dentist for routine checkups remain the pillars of good oral health. If you're considering incorporating oil pulling with coconut oil into your oral health regimen, it's advisable to consult with your dentist first. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique oral health needs and conditions. As we wrap up today's exploration into the wonders of oil pulling, I hope you've gained valuable insights into this age-old technique and its potential to enhance your oral health. Now it's your turn to take action. Why not give oil pulling a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Don't forget to share your results and thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on dental care and wellness. Until next time, keep smiling bright and remember, your oral health is your gateway to a healthier, happier you. Take care.